Hello, my name is Jay Jorgensen, and this assignment is for the health pickup, dying and spawning for video games for the game programming class. Right here, I'm gonna show off the mapping first I did, and then I'll go on and show off the example in the background. So this is the event graph for the third person game mode. And And for that, I just did a custom event for the respawn player here. And then added a get class for the spawn actor. Connect those two, along with connecting the player to the object of the get class. And then for spawn transform, I made it its own little variable component. And then after that, I connected the execution and the return value to the process, however you say this. And then the target is going to be the get player controller. And then this was after everything else. I had a little delay, so I had this little like a 5 second loading before we respawn. The health pickup is the health pickup requires an on component for requires the on component box to begin overlap. Yep, that's gonna connect to the cast to third person character with the other actor connecting to the object. And then the apply damage, the exec with this connecting to damage actor, along with the base damage having a multiply for the healing amount. Now, and then exec to one destroy actor, so that the heart or the health pack that I might have used for the health disappears once I grab it. And then I also did a burning ground like a burning hazard, a fire hazard that the player gets damaged by. I thought I'd do that instead of just having the player die, so that I can show off like game hazards. Is all this right here with the event begin play set timer for 5 seconds with the damage tick with the array of references instead of just a singular one like this one, and actors to damage. And oh, this is also on a loop, by the way. And then that connects to apply damage with the base damage having its own variable with the array element from the loop attaching to the damage actor. And all of that connecting to... Oh, and then there's also the health that I followed along in class with, the event with, all that right here, with the on damage take, all that, the branch. And then for the damage, I actually did a few adjustments to the character that we control. The health, there's an on health change event with a little convert to the append. The print string, the text code is going to show up like this. It's going to change. We're at 100, but we take 10 damage each time. And then dead should show up in this text color once we're low on health. Then events destroyed. Right, respawn player, that's how the respawn works to self. And then I actually attached something to the add input mapping. At the end of the mapping content, I made a cast third person object to get game mode. I would have these attacked to a set for respawn and target, for a set variable for the respawn transform, then this connect to the return value to get act transform. And with all that, now I can show you the example that I did. So here's the character, there's the fire, there's me taking damage in the top left, 40, 30, 12, 10, dead. And then after 5 seconds, I respawn back to where I started. And now the health points here, these little spinning hearts, I got these off, these are free VFX effects that I got off of the marketplace for Unreal. I take 50 damage, and once I take this, boom, I am back at 100 health. So that basically covers everything. I also, again, I thought it'd just be fun to add a burning ground to get damage. I thought it'd just be fun to get damaged by burning ground instead of just the character dying to one of the keys. So that is everything, and thanks a lot.